It sure is. I compared it to your answer. That's sworn deposition. Okay. Do you have a contract to help you get the final bill for the contract? I think I have some of it in that already. And this is and the maximum of your small claims for $6,000.
The damages, you get that amount.
If I see the damages. What?
She said the house was that nice.
This wasn't that nice, but it had windows, it had walls, and it had mirrors. It had glass. And it didn't have any of those things when you left. Okay. Between the rent based on the lease and the damages that you, your son, your boyfriend, or a combination of all three of you did to the house, the damages that far and exceed the $6,000, which is the limit of the small claim. From the plaintiff in the amount of $6,000.
Whoa. I think your retirement is 121. We'll get some.
Where are you getting?
A little smaller, honey.
Okay.
You mind?
No.
Be right back. We're trying to cut them down, some of them.
So yeah, I know. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
So what's your takeaway?
I know your philosophy has always been don't be a landlord if you can afford it. And I think family members make that more challenging because of the relationship. But also being a landlord, you can vet your tenant as well as you can. Make sure they're a good person, make sure they're not violent, make sure they have a criminal record. But you never know who they're bringing into your home. You can't control everyone's personality and everyone's outbursts all the time. And I felt that for because she's already going through a hard time. Her husband just wanted some time away from the place that